Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to take berberine to lose weight. Start with 500 mg twice daily with meals and consult your clinician before beginning. Take berberine consistently for at least 8 weeks to assess effect, monitor side effects, and track weight and blood sugar. Avoid taking with medications that interact and consider splitting doses for better tolerance. Stay hydrated, pair with diet and exercise, and note that individual response varies. Most people take 500 mg of berberine 2 times per day with meals to reduce gastrointestinal upset. Split dosing maintains steady blood levels and may improve results when paired with carb-containing meals. If you miss a dose, take it with your next meal and do not double the dose. Check blood sugar regularly if you have diabetes, as berberine can lower glucose and interact with diabetes medications. Report persistent side effects to your clinician. Quick break. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort on long walks while you work on weight loss. I use them on walks to remind me that small habits add up. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Berberine can interact with CYP enzymes and P-glycoprotein, altering many medications. Check with your clinician before combining. Avoid berberine if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or planning pregnancy unless advised otherwise. People with liver or kidney impairment require careful monitoring and dose adjustments. Common side effects include mild GI upset, constipation, or headache. These often improve with dose splitting. Always inform providers about supplements to prevent dangerous interactions. Start low and titrate slowly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.